G'day, I'm Tom. Let's go on a tour of the Real Steel Upper Hutt factory. As you probably noticed, we run a pretty big operation here in Upper Hutt. Our site is 7,000 square metres, we've got 100 staff, we get on average about 30,000 parts out the door each month. We're currently operating 4 press brakes, the one behind me, 1,000-tonne machine, 8.2 metres long. We have 2 of these LVD Easy Form machines. These are 2 smart press brakes. We've got hydraulic clamping, sectional tooling, the possibilities are endless. This is our LVD Impulse laser, 12 metres long, and it's got a 6 kilowatt laser head. It's perfect for cutting long chassis components. It's one of the biggest in the country, and it runs non-stop. This is our K2 plasma cutter. It's got a 22 metre long beard on it, and she's built to cut plate. This is our Kinetic K5000 plasma cutter, one of our many beasts that we have here. Now this thing is an absolute monster of a plasma cutter. It's our Kinetic K5000. It's a multi-process machine. It can drill, tap, flame cut using oxy-fuel and also plasma cut. It's got a huge horsepower spindle to drill up to 65mm holes straight through wear plate. We also do CNC machining. We've got 2 heavy-duty bridge-style CNC mills. It's great for adding extra details and extra processes to the parts we produce. We deburr and clean up all your profiles. All these parts will get fed into our small deburrer. Large parts behind me will go through our large deburrer. For thick parts that can't go through the deburrer, we deburr everything by hand. This is Inky, our custom part marking and identification machine. Once parts get deburred, they come along this line, get identified by Inky. We print a QR code with the job number, customer PO. We can even print your customer logo on it. From that, we've got full traceability throughout our factory. So once your job is starting to get complete, all the parts come here to dispatch. They get scanned to a pallet or a crate and a workbench. We can pack the crate or pallet in a specific order to match your production schedule, and we know exactly what goes into that pallet. So if there's any missing parts, we can go through and see what order it was packed in and let you know where you should be able to find them. As you can see, I'm sitting on a lot of stock. Actually, we do have a lot of stock. We start at 2mm and go to 150mm. We order all of our steel direct. We cut out the middleman so we can offer very competitive and bloody sharp pricing. If you have any questions or you want to find out more about what we do, give me a call.